Hi, hello, and good morning and good afternoon to everybody who's watching this video. It's me, Vijay Kevin, and you're watching How to Guide YouTube channel. And today's video is on how you guys can create yourself a Crypto.com account. But before that, let me tell you guys what Crypto.com is. Crypto.com is an online crypto trading platform. So you guys can create the account using a desktop version or the app version as well. But this is mostly famous for its app version. If you want to use the app version, you can use it. It's pretty simple. But if you guys want to know more about it, you can visit its official website. But today's video is on how you guys can, sign up into Crypto.com. So follow the step which I'm about to show you. But before that, do hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, guys. Let's jump right into the video. So the first step is you want to go to Crypto.com, which is the official website of Crypto.com. Now once you're over here, you want to scroll down a bit and you want to click on where it says trade. Once you click on trade, it doesn't matter whichever coin you want to choose. You can choose whichever. I chose Bitcoin. You can choose Cardano, Dogecoin, Polkadot, whichever thing you want, and you want to click on go to exchange. Once you click on exchange, it's going to take you to the page where you guys can create yourself an account. Now once you're over here, you want to enter the information which it asks you, and after you enter the information, you want to click on create account and it will create an account for yourself. So I'm going to enter all the information over here and create myself an account to show you guys it works. As I've entered all the information it asked me, now I'm going to click on click to verify myself. Wait for some time. Now I'm just going to verify as I'm a human, and after this verification process is done, you get the tick mark. Once you get this tick mark, click on create account. After you click on create account, if all the information you typed over here is correct, then basically you should be able to log in into your account. So as you guys can see, it's currently not available in my country, so it's not allowing me to make myself an account. But if it was available in my country, after filling up that form, I should have joined Crypto.com. So it's pretty simple to join Crypto.com, or in another word, create yourself a Crypto.com account. If you guys followed my step correctly, then you guys should have created a Crypto.com account for yourself. So this is the way. So hope you guys were able to understand the video. If you guys were, then be sure to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And if you guys have any question, you can ask us in the comment. I'll be happy to answer, you guys. Thanks for watching this video until the end. Have a nice day, everybody.